'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Hey guys! Last face-to-face of HSRK. Meron ka bang 8 bukas? Wala. Sa tuloy na din?
Yes.
Last na namin na face-to-face.
Bye,
and
college!
sure ka na mag-graduate?
Hindi pa.
Wala pa ka eh. Yan, last time nyo na kaming makikita together sa school na may pasok. Yung mga next, mga ano na yan, travel vlog. Diba? Yan lang. Hey guys, say hi. I mean,
hi.
I said this is the last face-to-face.
Bye, Lasal. Grabe naman.
Are you sure na you're gonna graduate? That's also what Karen said eh. Hi guys. Hi. Wala na tao sa school. Wala na masyadong tao. Kunti na lang kasi mga nag-final exam. Alam nyo ba, motivation ko na lang kanina habang nag-aaral ako was like, grabe, last time ko na ito mag-aaral. Sige, gagalingan ko na yung pag-aaral ko. Ganyan ang motivation ko. Kaloka, diba? Hi. 4th floor pa ang aking classroom. And I'm using the stairs kasi wala lang, diba? Para exercise. Hi! Finally done. Last class for...
Ever.
Yeah, ever! So, hindi ka na mag-aaral. Last class as an undergraduate. Tama ba? Oo. Oo. Okay, yay! Finally. Marunong ka ba? Sa test?
Hindi. Nakaulo ko.
Di bale, last na yan. Anyway, uwi na ba? Uwi na. Ako, uuwi na ako. Guys, alam mo ba, may chismis pala ako.
O, dyan ka sa vlog mag-chismis.
Oo, sige. Hindi, oy, nandyan na ulit si Karen. O, diba?
Hi, guys.
Happy graduation. No, hindi pa. Pic lang. Grad pic. Alam nyo ba, nakakaloka. Hindi na. So, kay Karen ko na ito pala si chismis. Bye. Bye. Hello.
Hi.
Wow. Hands, where yours? Ito ba to? Para may mali. Ganyan. Hans, wala pa. Si Sir V, nasa na ba? Nasa pila pa, late kasi siya. Hello. Welcome back to our school vlog. Hi. Yes, last school vlog. Yes. Binenta ko na. Sir V. Hello. Ano?
Yeah, it's fine. Well, okay, it's fine. If you want to go sleep, please. Okay, ready? You want to go sleep, ready? You want to...
Dati daw, tinitignan daw namin mga people na nakasuot ng toga. Ngayon, kami na daw. Oh. Dati lagi ko sinasabi kay Karen, uy, buti pa silang gagraduate na.
Ayun, tayo na.
Yes! Right now, we're gonna have lunch. Ayun na naman, yun na sa vlog, ang lunch. Pero, hindi namin alam where. Definitely, I don't know. So, hi nga kayo.
Hi.
Last lunch naman. Maybe last lunch here in Lasal. We're having 24 chicken. Is this sponsored?
No.
By Sir V?
It will be soon.
Yeah.
Okay. Up! So we're currently having a shoot. Oh my God, saan ako dadaan? Look at the hands and Karen. Nasaan si Sir V? Oh yan, wow! Nasaan yung fan mo? Yay!
Waki.
Happy graduation!
Pandit. Sige, Waki.
Happy graduation. So init.
Wait lang.
Kanina pa.
Saka, move. Waki, go.
Lifesaver, Jisoo Life. Lakas ng hangin, super lakas.
Spread out.
Hello. What's up? It's 5 plus. Pagod na. Tunaw na ang makeup, no? Si Russell magsa-selfie.
Yeah, si Russell magsa-selfie.
Wait lang, selfie muna kami. Bye. Oh. Last stop and we're finally leaving school na. And then you will see us sa recognition day. That's where we get our award. Yeah. So yun lang. Mayroong event here. Pero I don't know what. Kanina, daming tao. Like, meron pang mga inflatable, ganon. Tapos like, parang hop up. So yeah, that's all. Parang college student tayo ngayon, madam ah.
Saan tayo lakad?
There, we go straight there. Okay guys, hello! Today is recognition rides and my guest for today is Mami. Gusto mo daan tayo here sa gitna, pero mainit. Pero like, tingin na tayo tao, come on. Tingnan nyo, ang daming magagraduate. Let me show you. Hey Mami. Hindi, kasi gusto natin tingnan mga tao dito. Baka may kakilala tayo, di ba? Ayan o, so much. So loud yet daw. Uy, Mami, meron silang flower. Ba't ako wala? Kuha ka dun, yun yung purple. Saan? Hindi, malayo. Gusto mo?
Mark Justin Madria, Honorable Mention. Reese Amberley Cab, cum laude. Amela Marie Lacerna, Honorable Mention.
Hi, on the way to my graduation with Dale. Siya yung third na guest. Graduation day with HSRK except S.
S is missing.
S is late. First part of graduation, magbabaw dyan. Sayang hindi nyo makita yung screen. Anyway, this is the venue. Somewhere dyan. Somewhere nandyan ang parents. Ano? Baba na daw ako. Oh my God, nataas kasi ng stairs. Nakakatakot bumaba.
Carl Reese Amberley, BS in Entrepreneurship. Kim Na Yung, BS in Business Management.
Oh, look. Congratulations! Hans. Where's Karen? Somewhere there. Where is she? Oh, there. Here at China Blue. Let's go, Dale. Siya yung photographer ko too. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy.